Hi, my name is Jordan Dewick. Thank you so much for taking the time to check out this course. I've been working as a freelance filmmaker and video editor for quite a number of years, and during that time I've made a whole range of different kinds of content. Everything from narratives to documentaries, corporate videos, artistic videos, music videos, YouTube videos, and for all of them I've used the same program, Adobe Premiere Pro. No matter what the size of the project that you're working on, I couldn't recommend this software more. But it can be a little bit intimidating if you're trying to learn it with absolutely nobody to help you. And that's where this course comes in. Over the next hour's worth of videos, we're going to be learning Premiere Pro from the ground up together. The goal of this course is to get you to a place where you feel comfortable making a video from start to finish, all by yourself. This course is designed for beginners, but even if you've been editing for quite a number of years, I still highly recommend that you check it out. There's always so much more that each of us can learn how to do. And the best part is that it's free, so you literally have nothing to lose. Are you ready? Let's dive in together and learn how to use Adobe Premiere Pro.